Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. It's a combination of a racing quad and a photography drone with a robust waterproof body, and yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spry can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously, so you can share your flying experience with your friends on the spot. The Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities. You can turn the GPS on and off from the remote control to fly freestyle, or activate its advanced flight features like Follow Me, Object Orbit, and Return to Remote Control Location, so that if you're on a moving boat, the Spry will always come to where you are. If you're more into robotic flying, you can use the Spry's app to set up waypoints on the map and fly a designated path completely hands-free. The Spry is compact and comes with everything you need to fly the moment you get it: the carrying case, battery, remote, and charger.
We're also doing something that we don't think has ever been done before. We're releasing a series of videos bringing you inside of the factories that make some of the components for the Spry, and also show you the working conditions of these factories, and also learn how LiPo batteries are made, propellers are made, and how the whole manufacturing process works.
We've spent years in the design stage to push the limits and redefine the capabilities of drones in general. The only thing that's missing to make the Spry a reality at an affordable price is you. By supporting this project, you will be the first one to get your hands on the very first Spry. Check out the different reward levels and help the project go viral by sharing it with all your friends.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.